Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are planning to expand our vocabulary on spices, which we use to season our food. I'm pretty sure that all of you are familiar with salt or pepper, etc. So the first word we are going to learn is cinnamon. Cinnamon. Definition: the hard outer covering of cinnamomum tree or the powder made of it, which adds a sweet flavor to the food. Example: sprinkle the food with a little cinnamon. The second word we are about to learn is nutmeg. Nutmeg. Definition: the hard aromatic seed of an East Indian tree, which has a distinctive pungent fragrance used in confections. For example, grate some nutmeg on the top of pudding. Okay, the third word we are about to learn is coriander. Coriander. Definition: a plant with seeds that are used as a spice and leaves that are used as a herb. Example: coriander has an amazing floral aroma and fruity flavor. The fourth one is turmeric. Turmeric. Definition: a yellow powder used as a spice to flavor the foods and give them a yellow color. For example, add more turmeric to your diet. And last but not least, the fifth word we are about to learn is basil. Basil. Definition: an herb with a strong smell that is used to flavor foods. For example, use your favorite herbs for seasoning. However, do not forget the basils. Okay then guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification ring. I hope you all have a good day.